Welcome to ProdPanda AI, where we simplify product management using AI-powered learning. In today's episode, we explore product ideation and innovation, the process of turning problems into powerful product ideas.
Let's dive in. Many people think great product ideas appear suddenly, like a lightning bolt of inspiration. But in reality, successful companies don't wait for lucky ideas. They use structured ideation processes to consistently generate and evaluate new product concepts.
Great product managers treat ideation as a system, not a random moment of creativity. Product ideas usually come from several powerful sources.
First, customer feedback.
Second, market changes.
Third, unexpected discoveries. And finally, new technologies like artificial intelligence.
The key skill for product managers is learning to spot these signals early. AI tools are becoming powerful partners in ideation. Product managers can use AI to analyze customer feedback, generate product ideas, simulate user personas, and even create early product pitches.
But remember, AI is only an assistant. Human judgment, market knowledge, and intuition still play the most important role.
One of the most powerful innovation frameworks is called Blue Ocean Strategy.
Instead of competing in crowded markets, the red oceans, companies try to create new uncontested spaces called blue oceans.
Imagine a music streaming company entering a competitive market.
Instead of competing only on price, it creates unique value like local language playlists or personalized discovery.
Another popular ideation framework is SCAMPER.
It helps teams generate new ideas by asking simple questions.
Substitute. Can we replace something?
Combine,
Can we merge ideas?
adapt, can we adjust it for another use?
Modify. Can we improve an existing feature? Put to another use. Can this solve a different problem? Eliminate. What can we remove? Reverse. Can we change the order or process? These prompts unlock creative thinking in structured ways. Many organizations accelerate innovation through dedicated programs. These include internal innovation labs, startup partnerships, and experimental product teams. By collaborating with startups, companies can explore new technologies faster.
But innovation also comes with challenges.
AI generated ideas may contain errors. New markets eventually attract competitors.
And open innovation may reduce control over intellectual property. That's why successful product managers continuously validate ideas and adapt their strategy. The key takeaway: great ideas don't come from luck.
They come from structured thinking, market awareness, and continuous experimentation. And the best product managers treat innovation as an ongoing process. Subscribe to ProdPanda AI to learn product management step by step.